Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, June 20th. Wednesday, June 20th. And I am officially taking you guys on a journey with me. I've decided to go ahead and to start this faith and fitness journey with Sister Pam, 22 Pam. And starting to do prayer journaling as well as trying to improve my fitness. You guys know that I am, overweight, which is no secret. I have shared that with you guys. And it has been a struggle just trying to maintain my weight and to get my weight back down to a place to whereas, I'm not only feeling well, but I'm looking well, and it's less stress on my joints. So I thought I would try to begin to vlog and to document my journey and take you guys along with me. So this is day 2. I actually started on yesterday as far as the prayer journaling. I have never had a prayer journal per se. I have tried journaling before, or diary or anything like that, because I do enjoy writing, but I haven't, was never able to really maintain it or anything. So I'm going to give prayer journaling a try and just see how that goes, and we'll just go from there. So today is day 2. Each day you have a scripture that you focus on, and then each day it's a different fitness exercise. Now I am limited due to health reasons of what I can do, so walking is the best form of exercise for me and the safest, so that's what I will be doing. Let me just give you a peek at my prayer journal and what I've done so far. So this is just my my Bible, and today's scripture is 2 Peter 1 and 3. 2 Peter 1 and 3. You're going to write it down, and then you're going to meditate on it throughout the course of the day, and you're going to remain prayerful. So I will get more into this at another time, but I do want to just show you my prayer journal. Now I already had this planner. I already had this planner that I purchased from Target, and I had never used it. When I redid my office a while back, I bought it, and I never really used it, so I'm using it now. So it's part calendar, and then it's also part and then also my prayer journal all in one. And I've just taken and made these beads. I actually had already made a keychain and I just added some more beads to it and some ribbon. As you can see there, different ribbons. So anyway, and then as the Lord speaks to you throughout the day, then you just write it down, and that sort of thing. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and go for my walk, and I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Okay. Today is Wednesday, and this is my second day of the faith and fitness journey. And now yesterday I wasn't able to get any walking in, but so today's my first day actually walking. But started the prayer journal on yesterday, as I told you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this walk, and I will check back with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, okay, so I am back from my morning walk, and it went well. I tolerated it pretty well. Just some discomfort in my hips and all, but you know, that's to be expected because I haven't been walking, you know, regularly, and I'm just really getting back up and running. So I walked from my house in our complex down to the other side and back, and so that was pretty good for me for my first day. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I make my smoothies. I love to make them. They're refreshing as well as healthy, and also you know, if you don't want to fix like a regular breakfast, then this could be breakfast. This could be like a meal replacement if you choose to. So this particular one I'm using strawberries, and I have put those in the freezer. I have frozen them. I take my fruits and then I will buy them fresh and then freeze them. So I have strawberries and some organic blueberries here. You can find it. I think we got these from Kroger's. The pure coconut water with pineapple, a banana, and blueberry Greek yogurt. This is Dannon's Light and Fit, and this is only 80 calories. So I love using this because it's very tasty, and as well as low in calories. So, and of course ice, and I'm using just my little bullet thing. So the way I like to do this is I start off with my ice. I put a few pieces of ice in here, and then I add my coconut water. I just want to shake it up a little bit. But I love this Vita Coco, which you can get from Walmart or Kroger's if you have a Kroger's in your area. So I put a little bit of that in there. And then some of these humongous strawberries. This is a huge one. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my banana in. Sometimes I'll use a whole banana, but most oftentimes I will use a half of a banana. Especially if I have other multiple fruits that I'm putting in. And then I'm going to add my blueberries. Add a few of those. Okay. Right, and then put my yogurt in last. And the yogurt, of course, is a good source of protein. And I switch these up. I do variations of them. I don't always make them the same exact way. I make up my own recipes, and I just have fun with it. So I usually use about half of the yogurt. Yum. So you put all of that in, and then you're gonna put it in and let it blend. Just push this down. Okay, so now that is all blended. And there you go. So you have your smoothie. Delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will put the ingredients in the description box for this recipe if you'd like to use it.